Hey, it's date night. We're at Dewberry Farm. It's a big old pumpkin patch out here. It is busy out here. We probably should have brought the baby, but it's date night, so we didn't. You know what I'm saying?
Kyle's vlog, every day another chapter.
We're gonna find out what the black hole is. The black hole. It's pretty tight in the hole. This is
It's a little bit tight in here.
a little bit tight.
I'm gonna run into a wall. Watch how I do. I can't. Oh, there we go.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Whoa. It's kind of hard. Okay, we're good. We made it. Oh, we got like a photo area. Let's go take some photos. Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice? Get some mangoes? Oh. A little bit of everything out here for the kids at Dewberry Farm. They're apple blasters. They're cannons that shoot apples. This is amazing.
Are they big?
It's kind of terrifying.
See, in the dark, he looks kind of scary. Come on, let's walk out here.
Hi, Fred. How you doing? Freddy's gonna get us! Here we go! Spooky Acres. Spooky. Cowboys. Oh, never mind. Apparently people hate the Cowboys. Yeah, there's children in there. Like, I feel like this is asking for trouble walking down this way. Let's do this corn maze. Let's do it.
Okay.
I hope he's not in there. Oh, let's see what happens. Oh, spooky! Oh, it's pretty okay. I can't see nothing out here. It's too dark. It's too spooky. I think I saw something in there. What the heck? It was a graveyard smash. Monster mash. We're gonna go check out the slide now. Oh, I don't know if my old bones can do this. And it gives you a nice view of the whole farm. Let's go slide. Okay, you ready? All right, here we go. All right, here we go. All right, ready? Look at me. Here, 3, 2. I'm not gonna cheat. Go. 1. Go. Go.
Cheater!
Speed. Woo. That was fun. That was good.
fun.
That was good. Good gator. Good gator. We're out of there. We're out. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Which favorite part?
I liked it all.
I think mine was probably the slide. No, this train. This train. No, it was Black Hole. No, it was Freddy. No, it was all of it. It was pretty good. All right. Adios, amigos.
Till next time.
Great.